Come back, we love it up tonight. Why won't you come on and tell me that you love me tonight, tonight, tonight? Why won't you love me? Why won't you please tell me right now you love the roots, you love the reggae music, you love the rhythm style, yeah. Cause I try my best to show you that I love you, and you are true. Yeah. I don't know why you gonna lie. Don't lie to me. Why won't you come on? Tell me that you love the reggae music. Tonight, you love it, don't you love it? Don't you want it now? Yeah. Why won't you please tell me you love me, root sound system? Tonight we're gonna rock it up tonight. Yeah, nah, nah. Don't be, don't be, don't be, don't be. I rock it, comfy, rock it up, yeah. Stack me, comfy, stack it up. Real roots vibe tonight, yeah. Tonight, we loving it, like we love it up tonight, yeah. Come back, we love it up tonight. Sounds of the real roots sound system. One more time. I tried my best to show you that I love you, but you were untrue. I don't know why. Why would you lie here now? But to lie to me, I won't lie to you. Yeah. Why won't you come on? Tell me that you love the rebel music. You love the rebel. You love the reggae. You love the rebel styles. Why won't you please tell me you love real root sound tonight? Do we get tonight? Like we love it up tonight. Yeah, mama would. So tonight we love it up tonight. Like we skank it up tonight. Make we rock it right now, yeah. Love you, comfy, love it up tonight. Yes, sir. One more tune for the massive. The former tip out. You don't know the thing, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sire. Yes, sire. How everybody feeling inside the place? You've been having an iron night, sire, yeah? I want every blood and blood give a big, 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 big hand to Earl 16 right now, yeah? Yes, John. You know, so Earl 16 is one of our original living legend, yeah? Yes, Jaja. And I tell you what, yo, we're so happy that he's here with me tonight, yeah? What a pleasure, yeah? Earl 16, step up higher, yeah? Yes, Jaja.
Give thanks, Brother Caleb. Don't know, foundation team. We give thanks each and everyone for passing through, supporting Real Roots Sound System, Real Roots Radio Station, all the massive coming from all across the globe. Tune in to the Real Roots Radio Station. Alright then, final tune. Ready? Ready now? What's that there? Yes, we're there now, yeah. I there from the corner, see? You know what I tell them, say? No boys. I say, Obidaya. Rastaman will come to change fire. I say, Obidaya. Ayana me have to change fire. Come on. Rastafari. Long time we there now, yeah. Blazing out the channel now. Burning the fire, yeah. I say, Obidaya. Jaja sent us out to change vampire. I say, Obidaya. Jaja sent us in to catch. We have the fire, we light up the channel. Then we blaze up the fire. Then we chase vampire. Jaja sent us here tonight to Kuchanwa. I said, Obidaya, Obidaya. And we are gonna chase back a wire, yeah. We have the fire, we light up the Kuchanwa. Then we blaze up the Rizla. Then we chase vampire. Oh yeah. True Rastaman, if the fire gunshot. We Rastaman always humble. True fireman, with the fire no bombs. Real fireman do not gamble. We blaze the fire, we chase the fire, yeah. We blaze the fire, we burn the chakra, yeah. We blaze it higher, we look the chakra, yeah. I am happy I can chase back a wire. Yeah now, Rasta day now, yeah. Blazing up the fire now. Burning the fire, yeah. I am trapped in my unity. But Babylon don't like when we get together. Claims that the catchers sparring together. He's gonna lock us all down in a prison. I said, don't be there, Jaja sent us in to change my fire. I said, don't be there, chase the fire, we blaze them higher, yeah. We burn the fire, we chase them higher, yeah. We burn the fire, we get you higher, yeah. Jaja sent us in to chase vampire. Don't be there. And I say give thanks, each and every one passing through Earl 16. Real roots and system. The leech and sister Shirley, all the family. Ras Kayleb, yeah man. Give thanks, say. Blessed love every time. Just guide and protect each and every one. Give thanks.
Make some noise for Earl 16, everyone.
Yeah! Earl 16, make some noise! Yes, indeed, the place electric crowd here. One more! Who do I want more from Earl 16? I'm not sure you have to make more noise than that. I said, do you want one more from Earl 16? Fire step cross! Yes, give thanks. Boy, I'm greedy, man. But there's some crib. And I'm not able to carry a whiskey company all of today. Anyway, still. See me, Papa. Shall lion now is loving Jaja. I want to guide us all. I want to guide us, Jaja. Jaja, bring forth and then don't stop, Jaja, bring forth milk and honey, never stop. Let the people believe what they want to believe. Let the newsmen write what they want to write. But Jaja, bring forth and then don't stop. Bring it on down. Jaja, bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Ooh, nah. We don't care for the men outside. We don't care for the men outside. Let the sufferer be always strong and give I the power to keep moving on. bless us, Jah. I want to guide them, Jah. I want to guide them right now. Cause Jah, bring it down, bring it down. Bring us the sunshine, Rastafari. Give thanks and praise. Remote sound system. Yes, then.
More life, Earl 16. What you say, massive? Oh, you mean what a joy and an energy, you know. Yeah, man, respect Earl 16 for gracing us with your presence around here. Yeah, man, I've been having a wonderful time out there, massive. They sound quiet, Caleb. Are you having a wonderful time, massive? Oh, yes, indeed. What a night full of great reggae.